not a sticker. I mean, seriously, I've never had this much trouble. 3 hands, and I don't have 3 hands. Hey guys, you ever had one of those days where you're filming and it seems like nothing you do goes right? You drop a hammer or you bang your knuckles, and at the moment, believe me, it's not funny. But later, you look at it and you're like, dang, that was actually kind of funny. Well, here are some of our favorites. And I hope you learn from our mistakes, perhaps. Later. That is direct print. It is not a sticker.
Is it okay?
I ended it, actually. Ended it right here. And scratched it. See? Okay. So it's gonna be repaired when I take it off. Dang it. You know, when you buy stuff, you shouldn't have to, really shouldn't.
Oh.
How embarrassing is this? It literally will not go into freaking gear. No, don't do this to me.
That's black.
Yeah. How long has it been since your oil change?
Since I bought it, I think 2 years ago.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Well, dang, bro. You should change your oil at least every 6 months.
Every 6 months?
At least. So much for not making a mess. First, you gotta remove the cotter pin, which is right here. This is crazy. That dog it. You eat on those flies. I can keep holding this thing. I mean, seriously, I've never had this much trouble trying to remove a cotter pin. But it's like I have 3 hands, and I don't have 3 hands, and the space is tight, and it's starting to really ride my grip. Why isn't it going on? Look at this. So this is running me nuts right here. I can't really tell.
Yeah, it's off.
How much?
It's pretty off, honestly.
See, it's still way off. all the way through the table, man. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Somebody was working on their Mustang, and I noticed how they put the thermostat in. And I was thinking to myself, man, they're doing that backwards. That prompted me to do research on other videos, and I was like, oh, I'm the one that's actually backwards.
Oh my God, bro.
So it'll go like that. So it needs to be flipped around. This pointed end goes toward the radiator. So I actually know that, but I must have been so tired that I just did it like this. I hope you can hear me, but I am stoked because the leak is no more. It's gone. The saga continues. The thermostat housing is still leaking. That's interesting. It's already loose. That is not good. Gotta love the shop, man. Bro, people would just do stuff right. Trust their work.
Which one's the battery?
I'm sorry?
Which one's the battery?
This.
Oh. Goodness. Are you hurt? Did it hurt? Oh.
Shoulder.
Oh, your shoulder.
We're gonna do this the correct way this time. So, here we go. Look at that. Now I have all the room in the world. Funny how that works, huh? Yeah. That is crazy, dude.
It's like wrestling a bull, man.
Yeah, you ain't lying. My big old head. Can you see the filter wrench?
It was under your butt earlier.
Yep, there it is. So I'm loosening up the filter with the filter wrench. So now I believe I have the cardboard in place. So let's see if this works.
It's missing the cardboard.
Is it?
Big. Oh.
That's life. That was comedy. The cardboard didn't work. Such is life. And Foxbody will.